Hello and welcome to Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle. Today I'm presenting this Mercedes A35 4Matic Premium Plus. This A35 is finished in the very eye-catching polar white and also comes sitting on the 19-inch AMG Alloy Wheels. The black exterior styling features and privacy glass give the ultimate sporty finish to this vehicle. And now moving straight inside onto our door card, we've got some great features here, including your memory seat configuration and heated front seats. These are the black leather front seats, and there's a really warm welcome into this vehicle with the natural light coming from that sliding panoramic roof. Now sitting in the driver's seat, I'm going to show you some of the steering wheel controls. You've got your cruise control, voice control, volume buttons, and much more. And ahead is your driver's display. This A35 comes with a very well presented dashboard, and now moving on to our touchscreen, we've got some great features here, including the navigation, rear camera, DAB radio, Apple CarPlay and much more. To really personalise the vehicle, it does come with the ambient coloured interior lighting, allowing you to choose your preference. You can access all the insights of the performance of this vehicle through the dynamic select modes. Continuing into the back of the car, there is a nice amount of space for your rear passengers and the rear vents to make sure they are always comfortable. And this vehicle comes with ample boot space, perfect for all your luggage and shopping. Boasting 301 brake horsepower, this vehicle can move from 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds and has a top speed of 155 miles per hour. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you are interested in this Mercedes A35, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us on 01228 599 000.